So let everyone join so I can start the lecture. So everyone, good morning. Good evening, sorry. Let's start lecture. Join. Hi Pooja, hi. Yeah, hi Sarth Bohi. So now I'm going to give you formulas first. Okay, I'll give some formulas right now and then we will start next concept. Let everyone join, huh? Only two members join. Only two members join. Only two members join. So now let's start limits concepts. In the previous lecture you have learned about sandwich theorem, right? About sandwich theorem you have learned you learned expansions, right? Sorry, you have learned expansion in trigonometry equation problems. You have done trigonometry questions. Okay, let everyone join, but very less people have joined. Why? Who are there in live, please say hi. Who are there in live, please say hi first. Sarth Boy, hi. Okay. Chetan, okay. Purva, Chetan, yeah. So let's see here. Now I'll give some all formulas first. Then I told last concept is that is infinity power 0, 1 power infinity. Okay, that questions are there. So we will discuss that today. Okay, first I will write all formulas. Okay, what you have learned. Okay, just I'll write the formulas. Listen here, I'm going to write some important and standard formulas. Means it's a summary of the chapter, you think. I'm writing all the formulas right now. It's a summary of complete chapter. Like limit, you know that limit extending to a x power n minus a power n by x minus a is equal to n into a power n minus 1. This you have learned. Limit extending to a x power m minus a power m by x power n minus a power n is equal to m by n a power m minus n. You have learned this. And here this situation is happens. Then another thing, third point is if modulus of x is in between 0 to pi by 2, okay, and x is measured in radian. Okay, limit, you know the formulas. Limit extending to 0, sin x by x is how much? 1. Okay, limit extending to 0, tan x by x is equal to 1. You don't think that I'm rewriting, but there I'm going to add some more formulas. Limit extending to 0, sin ax by x. So limit extending to 0, sin ax by x. So you just remember directly a. Reason how you get, just apply this condition, multiply a. See here, sin ax by x You multiply with a divided by a, multiply and divide by a. This will be 1 and into a. So answer is a. So likewise these extra formulas I am writing now. So directly you can remember. Okay. So next one, limit extending to 0 tan ax by x is equal to a. And this now which I am going to writing, it's most important one. That is limit extending to 0 sine x degrees by x. X degrees by x is pi by 180. This is pi by 180. If you given degrees sine x degrees by x, then the answer is pi by 180. Because it is here radian, x by x, this is radian. But if it is comes in degrees, radian should convert into degrees, degree should convert into radians. So you have to multiply pi by 180. So that's why you get this one. Are you understanding? See here, sine x by x is 1, limit extending to 0. Here x is radian, that's what I mentioned here. X measured in radian. It is measured in radians. But when I say x degree, then if you say sine x degrees by x, then this x degree, this sign that you have to convert, this is you have to convert limit extending to 0 sine, this degree should convert into radians. See, 1 radian is equal to how much? 1 radian is equal to how much? Pi by 180, right? Pi by, 1 degree is equal to pi by 180. X degrees is equal to pi x by 180. So I can write as pi x by 180. So that divided by x. So you have to multiply pi by 180. You have to divide by pi by 180. This is going to be 1 into pi by 180. That is pi by 180 you will get. Did you understand? Limit extending to 0 sine x degrees by x is there. We have to convert into radians. So x degrees is equal to pi by 180 radians. So this x degrees convert into radians. Then we will multiply and divide by here. And this value will give you 1. So pi by 180 you get. This is you have to remember. Okay, did you understand this? This formulas you understood? So this is extra formula you should know, sine x degrees by x. Okay, next, limit extending to 0 tan x degrees by x. This is also pi by 180. Okay, next, limit extending to infinity. This is you should know. Limit extending to infinity, sine x by x. Sine x by x is 0. Limit extending to infinity, cos x by x. Cos x by x is equal to 0. These are the formulas. I want to write it once again. I wrote. So the main new formulas for you is, this is this new one, this is the new one, this is the new one, and this is the new one to you. Okay. So here you, if you remember directly, this one will be very benefited for you. So limit extending to 0 tan ax by x is a. Limit extending to 0 sine ax by x is a. Limit extending to 0 sine x degrees by x is pi by 180. I told reason. Now here you can use L'Hopital rule and you will get the answer 0. Okay, you can use the L'Hopital rule. This is infinity, right? It is infinity by infinity form. Right? Right. Infinity by infinity this is. Yeah. Infinity by infinity. You can write this is 1 by x even. You can write x as, yeah. So limit. So these are all formulas understood or not? Any doubts? Anybody have any doubts? Understood. Pooja said understood. Aditya, yes. So you remember these formulas. These formulas also important to all. So remember these formulas. Okay. Any doubts you have? Yes, Ardhbhai, understood. Okay, fine. So these are the formulas I just want to give you. But extra, I am giving all formulas. Once I am going to give you all the formulas right now. So this chapter, once you get revision, that's it. Nothing else. So if I miss any point, it will be covered in this. Okay. Already I'm in class, somebody is doing calls. So now, next formulas I'll write, then I'll start the lecture, okay? See, let me complete all the formulas, then I'll write, okay? And these are the things you just remember, that limit extending to 0, sine inverse x by x. See, which I have not written, that only I'll write, okay? Okay, limit in sine inverse x, this is 1. Limit extending to 0, tan inverse x by x is 1. Actually, for class 12 purpose, I am writing this. Otherwise, I don't write. Limit extending to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is 1. These formulas I already wrote. Limit extending to 0, a power x minus 1 by x. This is also what here? Log a with the base e. Already I explained these all things. Now, the main thing is limit extending to 0. This is you don't know. So, limit extending to 0, a power x minus b power x divided by x is equal to log a with base e. Log a power x minus b power x by x is log e with a by b. So, whenever you have a power x minus 1 by x is log a. B power x is there. I told you plus 1 minus 1 you can use here. Minus 1 plus 1 here. This is the condition you can use there. So you get here log a by b formula you will get. So log a is ax minus 1 by x. Limit extending to 0, a power x minus b power x by x is log a by b you will get. Otherwise you can use L'Hopital rule even. Okay, L'Hopital rule you can use it. Limit extending to 0, a power x minus 1 by b power x minus 1. This formula is log a with base b. You can use L'Hopital rule, otherwise you divide by x like that. You multiply and divide by x, then you are going to get log a by log b, that is base chain theorem, log a by b. Log a by log b, you get log a by b. So now next one is limit extending to a mod x minus a by x minus a. This is does not exist. This is important one, you remember that. This does not exist because when limit is there, modulus is there, left hand right hand limit does not equal, so it is d and e. Remember this. Okay. So these are the remain formulas, and next the other formulas. See, I am writing only formulas here. Okay, I am writing only formula. Sin ax by tan bx. If you have here sin ax by tan bx, we can write a by b direct. Okay, limit. How you got? If you have any doubt, tell me, I will explain that. Cos ax by x square. This is a square by 2. See here, this one you divide x, multiply, you divide by x. Okay, ax and multiplied by ax. Right, you need to do that like that. And then you have to divide here tan bx divided by bx multiplied by bx. So this is 1, this is 1, x cancel, a by b you are going to get it. A by b you are going to get it. So here these are the formulas, just I am writing the formulas. So here you do whatever, if you do these all things you are going to get the same answer. If you have any formula doubts you can ask me, I will explain that formula. Should I need to explain any formula? Let me know. Proofs you want? Already we have discussed this. Just I am just revising this all formulas once again. I am just revising all the formulas once again. That's it. Right? Next, what are the formulas we have more? Yeah, now I'll start the lecture. So these formulas if you have, and other formulas already you know. So now we are going to start 0 by 0, infinity power 0, 1 power infinity forms. So I will stop this live. I'll take another live, in that I'll explain these 2 points. So now first we'll discuss about 0 power 0, infinity power 0. Second we'll discuss 1 power infinity. I'll disconnect this one. this live. I will again send you another link so you can join it. Now we are going to discuss, this is the main topic of our lecture. Today's lecture is this. The previous one just I recalled all the formulas, but main lecture is, today's lecture is this. So what I have done till now, that was only revision of all formulas. Now we are going to learn this main topic. This is the last topic of limits. So I'll send again a link, you join in that.